Dyndrite is announcing a new product today. It's going to be our first key entry into a direct end user product for materials and process development for laser powder bed fusion. And the intent of this product is to unlock and change the way people do materials and process development and laser powder bed fusion. There's a lot of people who are very interested in trying new materials, making new parameter sets, accelerating the productivity of their machine, printing every 4 layers, only the core of the machine, for example. Printing very complex geometries, people care about support, some people don't. I personally don't care if they do or don't. We just want to be able to control all of it. And then ultimately also the quality. And the key here is, it is our intention to democratize the process of building build recipes or parameter sets for everyone in this industry. You should have total control over that. And more importantly, and I think interestingly, Dyndrite does not care about the IP of that. That is the IP of the machine vendor, that is the IP of the user of the machines, and you can monetize the IP, you can keep it closed, you can sell it, you can share it with the community. That's all up to you, right? It's Dyndrite's goal, though, to be the tool upon which all of this IP is generated.